Hello, my name is Shirly Valge. I'm COO at Velas and I'm based in our headquarters in Zug, Switzerland at the Crypto Valley Labs. My role as a COO is to manage the daily operations, to coordinate our global team of 70 people, and also to onboard new projects and teams to build in the Velas ecosystem. Velas is a blockchain company headquartered in CV Labs in Switzerland. And we are now actively onboarding new projects and teams to build in the Velas ecosystem. And therefore, we have launched a Velas grant program and an ecosystem investment fund. So we're welcoming all applications to Velas. I would like to introduce you to our mission and what we at Velas are focusing on. Velas's mission, besides the protocol development that would solve the blockchain trilemma, is to develop and leverage the Web 3.0 technologies and solve the problems that emerged with the Web 2.0 era in the space of social platforms, identity and access management, where big tech monopolies took over the control and management of people's data and privacy and implemented censorship and monetization models that don't benefit individuals. Velas also believes that the gap between decentralized open source technologies and mass adoption can be bridged by implementing user-intuitive experience and interface that we encounter on centralized platforms. Therefore, besides our core development, blockchain, we also developed in-house solutions and tools that demonstrate the ease of user experience of open source, decentralized products, which I'll talk about more in depth a little bit later. As I mentioned earlier, Velas is the world's fastest EVM chain, and EVM means Ethereum Virtual Machine Support, or ERC20 compatible. Velas stands for Virtual Expanding Learning Autonomous System, and the idea has been to build a blockchain network that is self-learning, self-optimizing to act according to the network's best interest. Velas is the only open source decentralized blockchain company out there who has built its own ecosystem of products which allow anyone with any technical skill set to use decentralized services and solutions. The products are designed user-friendly, accessible, and as understandable as centralized products, but without exploiting users' data or creating a single centralized point of authority or failure. Additionally, we developed a passwordless authentication system, allowing users to securely access a variety of services without a password using just their Velas account. With Velas account authentication, interaction with cryptocurrencies are facilitated to the level of centralized technology convenience without sacrificing user privacy and security. Velas account uses biometric authentication on the user's device to confirm login requests and transactions. To resolve the scalability issue, we have built our solution based on Solana, complementing it with additional features and innovations. Moreover, Velas is a community-driven project. At any time, our community members can vote for the next product our team will place a priority on. This feature and the fact that anyone can join our network as a validator or delegator makes both Velas and Velas blockchain decentralized by nature. Velas Vault, a new technology that allows us to accelerate and cheapen transactions from other cryptocurrency systems by leveraging the speed and security of our blockchain. In this way, we can achieve true security for a decentralized custodian. So what Velas is essentially trying to solve is the blockchain trilemma that consists of security, decentralization, and scalability. With the high fees and low transaction throughput on Ethereum chain, here we have brought out a comparative chart with some of the currently most popular protocols out there and how Velas compares to them in regards to transaction throughput, fee, transaction finality, and underlying consensus mechanics. With Velas, the transactions are extremely scalable, instant, and almost for free. A unique feature is what we call Velas Freedom, which gives freedom for projects to charge transaction fees in the project's own native token or have the transaction fees completely fee-free. So the users will not even realize the underlying technology is based on decentralized blockchain. And now we would like to present you what are the additional benefits for developers to build on Velas blockchain. So besides the high transaction throughput at almost for free transactions, we provide Solidity support, meaning all contracts from Solidity can be transferred to Velas blockchain seamlessly. We also support C++ and Rust. Velas also supports Ethereum Web3 and MetaMask wallet and Solana Web3, which means applications built on Ethereum or Solana can be seamlessly shifted to Velas and benefit from the instant transaction throughput and almost for free transactions. We designed a 5 million investment fund to support the growth of Velas Ecosystem and expand the reach. An individual project can apply for up to $100,000 grant funding. Additionally to financial support, we aid projects with other wide variety of aspects, as you see on the next slide. So besides the financial benefits, we're also providing a hands-on support to all the projects that are building in our ecosystem. The additional benefits we offer is recruiting by assisting startups to hire top-tier talent, with networking by assisting with connections to investors, funds, and accelerators, with marketing by assisting startups in engaging with the key exchanges, finding opinion leaders, and build viral marketing campaigns. We also assist startups with technical integration support and with research and advisory. Here we have brought out an investment criteria for the projects applying for the grant funding. All code produced as part of a grant must be open sourced, and it must also not rely on closed source software for full functionality. We take licensing and copyright compliance very seriously, so using others' work without attribution or indicating that it's not your work will lead to immediate termination. Please contact us before submitting if you have any doubts about licensing matters, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Velas. For more information, visit velas.com or meet us at the CV Labs at Velas headquarters.